1 minute all up, power walkers 10 to 15. That's it, rowers up and back, stroke rate around 30, rise up as high as possible. Legs, arms, legs, eyes up, chest up. Keep those rods tight, Can we get everybody in the orange zone in the next 30 seconds? Every stroke gets a little bit stronger, more powerful. We have just 30 seconds left, everybody. Can you add on point 1, point 2 on that treadmill? Make that transition to the orange. Hang on to it, team, hang on to it. We have just 15 seconds. Almost every single person working in the orange. Drive those legs a little bit harder. Rowers, you have just 10 seconds and you get off the wall for the day. You can do it, Larry. You can do it, treadmill. Walking recovery. 3, 2, 1. Hit that 3. Walk it out. Awesome. Up. Let's get a clap for that one. Everyone clap it up. Woo. All right, guys. That means we are halfway done. Treadmills. Good news.